Welcome back, everybody, and welcome to Jasper, Indiana. This is the heartbeat of Dubois County in southern Indiana. I grew up in southern Indiana, and I was invited to come back and check out the 46th annual Jasper Strassenfest. While in town, I wanted to take an opportunity to just see all the new sights that I haven't seen in many, many years and get an opportunity to go on the train. I never got a chance to do that. So today's video, we're going to do some recap of the Strassenfest and a beautiful ride on the Spirit of Jasper.
All right, guys, I'm excited today. We're doing something very unusually different. We've never really done this before, but I'm here in Jasper, Indiana, and I'm actually about to take the Spirit of Jasper, a very old train that we reconditioned back in 2010, and we're actually going to take this train all the way to Huntingburg. So it's about an hour train ride, so you guys could come along with me and check out the Spirit of Jasper. It's going to be awesome. Looking forward to it.
Got our ticket and we were walking around inside just checking out the little museum kind of interior inside of this train depot. It's really, really cool. Learned a little bit about the Ruckriegel clock, which I thought was really, really cool. As we waited, there's several folks. This actually holds around 125 folks at one time on each train ride. So we had a party of about 18 that actually went with us. So this train was actually completely booked full. So we had to wait about 2 hours to get the train that we really wanted to get everybody on. So we took the 5 o'clock train, which was great because, you know, you're still beautiful weather outside. It's not quite as hot. So overall and all, it was a fantastic trip. So we were just waiting for the caboose to back up here and let the folks on the train. All right, we're all in line, getting ready to get loaded up on the train, and man, I was so excited because this is the very first time I've ever taken a full-fledged train like this. So for me, this was an experience in itself, and it was so happy to add this to our itinerary for the day. So beautiful train inside and out. We were able to go in and do a quick tour of the place, and we were able to go to the very back. What's cool about the very back of it, it just seems a little bit more open, and you actually got like chairs and tables, and we were able to sit down. We were really close to the snack areas. They offered free snacks on the train, which was pretty cool.
All right, we just boarded the Spirit of Jasper train. We're on our way to Huntingburg, Indiana on this round trip train ride. So I'm super excited. There's gonna be some amazing views from my understanding. We'll be looking through, and here in a little bit, if I get a chance, we'll kind of get a quick tour of the caboose, the regular channel, all the way to the front there. So if we get a chance, we'll take a look at that. I know it's a full house, so we'll have to see what happens with that. But anyhow, stay tuned. It's gonna be an amazing ride. Hope you guys enjoy the view.
I would definitely like to point out that when riding on this train in southern Indiana, it cannot be compared to those trains that you might see in the Carolinas or Tennessee The scene through here is going to be mostly wooded areas, some creeks, rivers, things of that such. It's still beautiful, very beautiful for me. And for me, for being this the first ride like this, I think it's really, really cool. And again, it was relaxing and just to sit back. And it was about an hour there and back. So really, you know, you don't see a whole lot of craziness going in the scene. But, you know, there's a lot of backyards and a couple road overpasses and things like that. So it was really pretty overall. And definitely a lot of cornfields. There's a lot of cornfields in Indiana. So if you know anything about those, you'll see those on the video as well. For me, some of the most beautiful parts of the scenic ride on this train is definitely going over the bridge. This had a very beautiful, I don't know, it's really elegant. It's late in the evening and there's just shadows on the water. It was just really, really pretty. This is the one part of the scenic route that I actually enjoyed the most, was being able to see this. And we got to see that twice. So we started to slow down and it turn around, and this is from the backside looking out, which is really, really cool. This is right before we slowed down and stopped. And one of the most amazing parts about being on a train like this is being able to get up and walk freely. And man, you talk about beautiful areas of this train I got to see in detail. Just being able to look out the sides and seeing us as we travel through. I just thought it was an amazing shot. And just very vibrant wooded areas. So pretty. So pretty. Something else I would definitely want to mention, just to let everybody know when you're taking this train, is the folks that are on here that are working the train, the conductor and a couple others there. the ones that took care of the drinks and the snacks and just kind of overall giving information, they were all volunteers, which to me I thought was very, very awesome that they're giving their time back to the community and really trying to keep this Spirit of Jasper train ride kind of a part of traditions for families for years to come. So big kudos to the wonderful crew for allowing me to ride with them today and to film it and to share with you guys. Definitely one of the top things I've done since doing filming for this show. And just like that, before I knew it, the 1 hour had already came and gone. And man, we're back in Jasper. This was a wonderful addition to our trip in Jasper. Thank you for watching today's show. I hope you like what you've seen, and be sure to comment if you have any questions or concerns, and subscribe. People like you is what keeps this channel going. Thank you from Holmes Away from Home.